Welcome back, simple homeowners. What I'm going to try to do today is install rear speakers on my Road Glide. This is going to be kind of a big task for me because you actually have to cut the saddlebags. Let me show you what I have. What I want is some speakers here. Currently, I've installed these. They're Infinity and they sound really well. I took the radio out and I repositioned the amplifier, switched it around a little bit. This makes it for the wires to work a little bit better. So I had to take the radio out, took the tank off, took the backbone harness wire cover off, and now I just have to tuck some of these wires in there. Then I'll be ready to cut the bags. Never done this before. There's a kit here that supposedly I'll be able to cut. It's got a template and everything. So let's see what happens. So I've hooked all the wiring up, the backbone wiring from the amp to the motorcycle to the rear. So I wanted to make sure I did all that right and it was working okay. So I hooked up the speakers temporarily just to make sure that everything is okay. So as you can see, going around slowly putting things back together, as well as now I have to cut the bags. So this is going to be the fun part, trying to cut the bags. So just take a quick listen here.
Well, I told you once in August, I told you once in May, I told you once in May.
So it sounds pretty good. I don't have a dedicated base because I didn't want to take one of my saddlebags and lose the carrying capacity, and a motorcycle base takes the whole saddlebag up. All right, well, we're at the point of no return. So I've got the template on. One starter hole there to get my saw through, one there. I had to trim the tin plate to make it go around the lock. You could take this off, but I found it easier just to trim the tin plate. So here we go, let's see what happens. We'll remove these screws so we can use them on the other side. Man, that was scary. But it's done. Just gonna clean it up a little bit, deburr the edges, and should be good to go. And there we go, another hole. It was a little bit rougher than the other, but I think it turned out okay.
You know I left my little baby crying when I left my home this morning. And I don't mind, 'cause we both know that we'll be fine.
There it is, all put back together. It was a very lengthy install, but I took my time. Luckily, I had a holiday off, so I was able to use that in the weekend. So it took me about 3 days here and there. Today was the longest day, I believe, because I had to cut the bags and put it all back together. It looks great, sounds great. This wasn't a how-to, but more so just showing you what I did. I got it from Volunteer Audio, the speakers, all 4 of them. I did the fairing first, and then later I did these. I didn't know if I was going to upgrade to these or not. I did it.
What you know about love? Said I love would be.
That's all we have. Thanks for watching.